Hello everyone, you are watching Viral Things on Internet. Have you ever wondered what happens if the brake fails? See this.
You gotta get this makeup off your face.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm...
Here I found a crazy man who installed jet in his cycle and riding insanely.
Perfect, dude. Look at it. Come here, man. Look at this shit.
This truck stuck in the middle of the railway crossing and then train came and collision happened. Surveillance video captured the moment of open coal mine collapse of China.
No way!
This man have amazing skills, doing beatboxing while playing harmonica.